everyone. This poem is called White. I'm not going to tell you about what I've written so you can interpret for yourself. So here it how it goes. The snow seems harmless, but does it not bury your grave with such flair as if you were never there? Are winters supposed to end stories like a horizon drawn across our lives, or the mist muffling up our eyes, where walking will never get you past, and things are larger than the shadows they cast? Not so much can the ocean drown you as bend your back into a rainbow, so the birds above sometimes mistake you for a dolphin, sometimes for a dove, anything which can swim and fly together, a lot like love. Look both ways before you cross a road, but can't a comet falling from the sky, or a tremor making the soil split faster than a car can hit, make it easier for you to die? There, your lover looks at you with his heart hanging between his legs. Here is your life, folded into a boat, which is its own river, its own sail, till one day all the water comes leaking in, and you know it was either made of paper or promises. I feel death comes to human when he gets slowly ripped apart in the tug of war between his conscience and his heart. But it does not matter who wins when all the rope comes tumbling to his eyes. It's the very man who chokes and dies. How did we not see that all the time while we fought, the rope we were pulling from both ends was wrapped around our own throat? One day you'll know that nights are only bad days turned inside out, and it will make you wonder if everything visceral was meant to be dark, and if that girl you barely wanted to know had hanged herself up by the ceiling because she was tired of feeling low, and how nothing stopped her from dancing to the light of the stars just because someone told her they belonged to the past. As if we all are made of feeble spider webs to break apart each time we are touched at our heart. Is there a tape to measure the size of your soul? Is there a place where I can stand but never fall? Are people exactly what they look like, or are they much more? Then why is a thing of beauty supposed to be a joy forever for sure? I know not if I am cities or hills, an unnamed alley or a locked door, like white knows not if it's still a color or the very absence of it. For if I am so much and much more, why am I never written to, never written for?